Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, use of a or an. But before going ahead, let's revise consonants and vowels. Can you please tell me how many vowels are there in English language? There are 5 vowels in English language: A, E, I, O and U. And the rest 21 letters are consonants. Dear kids, vowels are the friends of an, and an mean one. And consonants are the friends of a, and a also means one. An is used before a word starting with the vowel sound. For example, an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. A is written before words starting with the consonant sound. For example, a book, a cat, a tree. Let's use a or an before these objects. Car, a car. Apple, an apple. Inkpot, an inkpot. A tree, a sofa, an engine, an envelope, an ice cube, and a cat.